In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Airtable. Whether you're setting it up on a computer or a mobile device, the goal is to make sure you get the official app safely and quickly so you can start organizing your work without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, whatever you're most comfortable with. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and if your browser prompts you for an update, it's a good idea to let it finish first. An updated browser helps avoid download issues and ensures you land on the right page without security warnings. Next, in the search bar, type Airtable download. You'll see several results, but the one you're looking for will say Downloads, Airtable, and it should be on the official airtable.com website. Take a second to verify the URL before clicking. Avoiding lookalike sites keeps your device secure. If you see sponsored results at the top, you can scroll past them and choose the official result. Click through to open the Airtable Downloads page. Once you're on the Downloads page, choose the option that fits your device. If you're on a Mac, select the download for macOS. If you're on a Windows computer, pick the Windows option. For mobile devices, choose iOS for iPhone or iPad, and Android for phones and tablets that run the Android operating system. The page is designed to guide you, so if you're visiting from a specific device, it may highlight the right choice for you. For desktop downloads, your browser will begin downloading the installer file right away, and you'll see it appear in your downloads area. Just keep an eye on that progress indicator so you know when the file has finished transferring. If your browser asks for permission to save the file, confirm it. Saving to your default downloads folder makes it easy to find later. For mobile devices, selecting iOS or Android will take you to the official App Store listing. You can confirm you're in the right place by checking that the developer name is Airtable and that you're seeing authentic ratings and reviews. Avoid third-party download sites and don't use APKs from untrusted sources. Sticking to the App Store or Google Play protects your device and your data. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, search for Airtable download, click the official downloads page, and choose the option that matches your device. Following these simple steps ensures you're getting the genuine app from the official source, so you can move on to setting up your workspaces with confidence.